And in the last 2 years, the problem and the bottleneck of the AI is actually the cost. And we need to have more friendly codes and to increase the adoption to justify the ROI, right? That's actually the debate people have had in the last 2 years. And now we have that, right? Without NVIDIA's latest GB200, the chip coming probably in the mid this year, we already can lower the cost like 20 times by DeepSeek optimization. Think about if we have the latest chip found out, we can actually using $30 probably just design or write the code for yourself or myself, which probably not the coder background, right? So I'm actually very, very optimistic on either the hardware, info, or the software, because Jay's a friend actually with mine. We talk a lot on the AI. I think one thing I'm a little bit disagreed with him is, I think everybody actually pursuing the better performance if you're standing in the model level, because we have the ceiling, which is AGI, which we're trying to make the AI, the machine, to have the same effect as human, right? So we actually toward the same goal. So it's just about the performance, the cost. So we are actually turned to the same places. Consider the pie is like multi-trillions or even thousands of trillion. If we have the lower cost 10, 20 times, that's actually just makes the world better. That's what I believe.
Right, I'm just curious though, I mean, with regards to whether this can be done cheaper, and we don't know whether it really costs DeepSeek this much money, but even if it costs a little bit more, and I put this question to Shane Oliver about 15 minutes ago as well, if it does free up some capital, is that not a good thing?
They have their own limitation in terms of securing the best of the chip, the best of the resources compared to low CSP, right? Compared to Microsoft, for example, right? So they have done the best to optimize what they have done. And if they have the money, next step, they want to buy more chips. Actually, that's exactly what we have seen in the last 7 days. We actually seen the GPU pricing is actually going up in the US and in Asia. The reason is, and we are actually not talking, the later, the old GPU, last generation. We're actually talking like H100 or even H200 from NVIDIA, the latest one. The people can buy it directly from NVIDIA. So we actually seen the demand picking up thanks to DeepSeek leading. So I actually rather to call it this more like a democracy of AI. So the small company, whether it's model, whether it's data center, like NeoCloud, those guys in the US, and they actually getting more powers through this innovation, and they actually can, spread to the efficiency of the AI to more SME customers. That's the reason why, I'm actually super positive of this environment. Yes, we probably won't see big giant to take all of the fruit.
Right.
But that's actually much better for us. The alpha seeker, the stock picker, there's a much more better company we can pick for the stock market, which people are actually not even aware of that.